Pakatu. Oh, glancing right across the snows. Left hook.
Welcome po sa munti kong channel mga kahardot. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat o gabi man. December 3, 2022, Manila, Philippines ay nagkaroon ng laban ng MMA at ito nga si Tial Tang, ang tinagurang Dragon League ng Myanmar, ang makakalaban ni Jeremy Pakatu ng Team Lakay. At sa ang kanilang paglalaban ay napakaganda. At ito nga si Tial Tang ay may sinasabing may pagkaangas, super angas, at yan, kita nyo naman, kulang na lang ay ngab-ngabin ang ating kababayang si Jeremy Pakatu. At yun po ang tunghayan po natin ang kanilang nagawang paglalaban. Tara guys!
Explosive version of TL Tang tonight. Fakes here from Tang. Tie clinching knee there from TL Tang. Woo.
Wildfire exchange right there between these two bantamweights. Tial Tang does a smart thing, close that distance, gets the body lock so he can get him down. He does just that.
Top position inside the guard here for TL Tang. What can the Myanmar star do?
How he's able to keep his legs kind of in position. Jeremy's going to want to keep his legs in front of Tial. Good upper body control, trying to drive.
Put on hit from Jeremy Pakatu.
Oh, Jeremy's going for an armbar. Nice attempt here, it's in. All he's got to do is extend his legs. So it's going to be very important for Tial Tang to keep him crunched together. He's got to try to get his elbow past the hips. He does just that.
TL out of trouble, back to the
Take me down. I'm going to try to punching combinations, but a lot of those were deflected just then. Good defense from Tial Tang.
What a first half! To the...
Nice little switch of stance there from Tial Tang, just like his mentor, Landslide. That was a beautiful knee.
The Charlie knee, superb from Pakatu. TL Tang put him with a short right hand on the inside. Jab from Pakatu, hook from TL. Body shots to the jaw. Right hand from TL Tang, another right hand for the Burmese star. Backs off.
I like Pakatu mixing in the body shots too. He's going heavy to the body. Oh,
To the knee. Buckled the knee. Nice short right hand side of the jaw there from Pakatu. Wild overhand right from TL Tang. 35 seconds remaining. What a first round. Switching stance. Fake there. Switches back to orthodox as TL. Pakatu with a front kick. TL's got the right hand ready. There it goes. Overhand right. Jab from Pakatu.
good use of the uppercuts from Pakatu. But I like the
Tapos magandang strike ng bawat fighter na ito. Ayan, kamay sa kamay, mukha ang tinutumbok nila. At nakikipagpalitan ng husay ang suntok itong si Dragon League. Si Dragon League po ang kaya po tinawag na Dragon League ay magaling mamaa siya. Pero parang hindi niya na ma-apply sa ating pambatong si Jeremy Pakatu. Ayan, tuloy po tayo sa panonood.
Yeah, very busy man. When J.H. Eustaquio up next. Joshua Pasha in our main event. Pakatu comes forward. Circling, moving.
Ibinigay niya ang triangle choke o triangle lock at hindi nga nakagalaw itong Dragon League ng Myanmar. At yan po, congratulations sa ating kababayan kay Jeremy Pakatu.
Your referee, Mr. Justin Brown, has called a stop to this contest after 1 minute and 17 seconds in the second round. For your winner, by way of triangle choke, Jeremy Pakatu.
At yun po, marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood at mega love shoutout po at bye-bye!